Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you all people are doing very well. Our today's topic is getting started with graphic user interface operating system. After this, we will understand about basic icons of graphic user interface operating system. Okay, first of all, we should understand what is getting starting with graphic user interface operating system. Okay girls, so our topic is getting started with graphic user interface operating system. Okay girls, operating system. What are the features of graphic users operating interface? Please write down on your notebooks. A graphic user interface operating system, OS stands for operating system, provides a user friendly interface. Okay, first feature is a graphic user interface operating system provides a user friendly interface. Then it makes easier for people with little computer skills to operate the computers. Okay, it will make easier for people with little computer skills. Okay, next feature is it combines four elements, which are, it is a combination of four elements. It is the combination of four elements. Okay, which are the four elements? First one is Windows. Second one is icon. Okay, third is menu and then pointer. Menu, and fourth one is pointer. Clear? Now all information displays on screen presents inside a window. Okay, all information displays on screen, okay, is present inside a window, Clear? Next feature is small graphical symbols that are icons. Okay, what are icons? Small graphical symbols. Okay, now what is menu? Menu presents various commands. Okay, it presents various commands. And last one is pointer. What is pointer? Okay, that is window. Pointer means a source to point out some task. Okay, that is sources. What type of sources? There are two sources of pointing used as pointing device. Clear? That is mouse and touchpad. Mouse and touchpad that present or that used to pointing used as pointing device. Okay, pointing device. Clear? Pointing device, why we are pointing the task? For performing different tasks. Okay, why it is used as pointing device? For performing different tasks. Okay, clear? Now our next topic is basic icons of operating system. Okay, basic icons of operating system. What are the basic icons? Basic icons of operating system. Which type of operating system? Graphic user interface operating system. Graphic user operating system. Okay. Okay. First one is recycle bin. Recycle bin. Second one is computer icon. Okay. Third one is folder icon. Okay. Next one is file icon, then program icon, file icon, then program icon, and last one is shortcut icon. Shortcut icon. I will explain these icons one by one. Don't worry, girls. Okay. You should write down on your notebooks, then I will explain it. So first of all, we learned about getting started with graphic user interface operating system. A graphic operating system or graphic user interface operating system provides a menu friendly or users friendly interface. Okay, this makes it easier for people with little computer skills to operate the computer. Graphic user interface combines four elements. For example, it is a combination of four elements. Which are four elements. First one is windows, then icon, then menu, and last one is pointer. Okay, all the information displays on the screen is present inside a window. Then small graphical symbols known as icons are used to represent files, folders, devices, programs and commands. Okay, then the turn of menu. What is menu? Menu presents various commands from which the user makes a selection with a pointing device. Okay, which are the pointing device? There are two pointing device written on the board. First pointing device is mouse, and second one is touchpad. These are the examples of pointing devices. Okay, now next topic is basic icons of operating system. Which type of operating system? Graphic user operating system. There are 6 types or basic icons of graphic user interface. First one is recycle bin. You know girls, recycle bin is a temporary place where deleted items are stored for temporary time period. Okay, when a file or folder is deleted from a hard disk, it goes to the recycle bin. The users can restore it to its original location. Clear? Users can also delete a file or folder permanently from the recycle bin. If once users will delete any file from the recycle bin, it will be temporarily deleted. Clear? Next one is computer icon. What is computer icon? Computer icon allows the users to access the contents of computer device and manage files and folders. Okay, when users do double click on computer icon, it will open windows. Okay, it will open a window. Clear? Where displays the different resources of computer. Clear? It will maybe it will contain local hard disk, local drive. It calls drive. Okay, C drive, E drive. Okay, and anything which we attached with computer, it will also displayed. For example, we want to transfer our mobile data into the our system or laptop. We will attach the our mobile phone with the laptop. Okay, by data cable. Our computer data will also displayed in computer icon. Clear? When we double click on computer icon, it will display our computer data, mobile data also. Clear? Then what is folder icon? Folder icon resembles physical file folder. Okay, जैसा हमारा physical कोई फाइल का फोल्डर होता है या फिर कोई भी फोल्डर होता है, उसी तरह ये दिखती भी है. ठीक है. इट इज़ यूज टू स्टोर फाइल्स. क्लियर? इसमें हम डिफरेंट तरह की फाइल्स को स्टोर कर सकते हैं. क्लियर? देन व्हाट इज़ फाइल आइकॉन्स? In graphic user interface, files are also represented by icons. Okay, a file may contains text, image, maybe your music, videos. Okay, users recognize by a file by its icon. Clear? Icon of a Microsoft Word. Clear? That is already shown in your a book at page number 45. Clear? Then what is program icon? Executable program files are also represented by icons. Clear? Different graphical symbols are used for different program icons. Clear? Last one is shortcut icon. Shortcut icon are created to access a program, file or folder quickly. Clear? If we want to search any file or folder quickly, we will make its shortcut. Okay, shortcuts have an arrow, okay, at the bottom left corner and the name below it. Clear? लेफ्ट कॉर्नर पे एक एरो का निशान भी बना होता है इसके आइकॉन पे, और साथ में इसका नाम भी लिखा होता है. Clear? I hope you enjoyed our today's lecture. Thank you, girls. Stay blessed. Keep enjoying. Keep studying. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.